So it never fails. Just make a video or just make a post saying that you lost a trade, and someone is going to comment and say, "Oh yeah, I just learned smart money concepts." Like it's going basically like it's going to solve your problems. And this video was actually kind of, I guess, triggered from a based off of a comment on my video. So I made this video showing that I failed my fourth FTMO challenge, and basically I was just saying how I wasn't bothered by the fact because I learned a lot, and my trading is improving. And of course someone comments, try to learn smart money concepts, whatever. So, and that's just one. And then you go in the Facebook group, someone else comment like, "It's smart money concept and order blocks the only way to be profitable or to pass FTMO and make large profits." And again, this person here in this Facebook group was showing like all his losses and stuff, and obvious. And then lo and behold, someone came and replied, like, instead of answering the questions, they replied with yeah, learn how to trade smart money. Another one, this person was just asking questions about EAs and which ones do they recommend. And of course someone again come talk about learn smart money concepts. Like, I don't know, I feel like people are just gung-ho on the smart money concepts. Yes, smart money concepts does have it's a high probability trading strategies, and there's some good things to learn. But I feel like every strategy works in this market. Whatever you do works. You can do like support and resistance, do trend line, use moving averages, everything works. It's just like I think like mastering your emotions and risk management, those are like the most important things. Like if you trade smart money but your risk management is crap, obviously you're not going to be profitable in the long run. You're over leveraging your accounts, you're doing silly stuff. Yeah, so I don't think I think people should stop recommending smart money concepts to everyone, because like I said, every trading strategy work. You just have, once you master your emotions, you master your money management, and you master your money management and you master your risk management. That's all you need. You can, I've seen people in these trading groups actually trade, like they just set the profit target for like 1:1 risk ratio, and they've been pretty successful because they know when to cut a trade, they know when to get in a trade. And like I said, if the trade isn't working for them, if the trade is working against them, they cut the trade, and they're very they don't have much emotional attachment to trade. So yeah, I guess I just wanted to come and I guess vent a little bit, because I hate seeing this like smart money is the end all, a be all of all strategies. Like, it's not. It's a good strategy, yeah, but I don't like seeing the cult like following that it has, and just everyone just recommending smart money concepts like it is the only thing that can save you. It's not. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you in my next video. Take care. Bye.